Okay, so anyway, I will be running some in-scale model trains for you guys. And yes, finally a train video. Only reason I haven't been posting train videos recently is because, well, it's simply because I haven't found something that a train video I could make without the editing. And I got the train layout moved back to my bedroom, so I decided, why not run my train for the first time in my bedroom. I'm gonna like having my in-scale train layout right here, because I just think it's gonna look nice if there's CSX and Amtrak. But anyway, let's go ahead, couple this train. And also, forget the person with the channel, well, their channel name used to be USA Rail Fanner. If you saw that train video I made where that Norfolk Southern hit the, what's it called? Hit the tractor trailer. Don't worry, it was just it was the front of the locomotive, and the front of the locomotive didn't have a coupler. So if you see a double header, you're most likely going to see the New York Central Heritage Unit trailing because of that. Or the Norfolk Southern GP38 being a DPU. And also, this is an F unit that has no front coupler. So this police car is going to get hit, then the Coca-Cola truck will be getting hit. So let's just run the train real quick. Needs a little push. Also, guys, what do you think of the layout move? Oh no. I don't know what it is. Might just be a sharp curve. Go, go, go. Darn it. You Santa Fe F unit. There we go. Don't believe it. Okay. So I don't think, no. Oh wait, the cow is fine. But, okay, just gonna set it up here. Okay. Now. Okay. Now. First thing I'll be doing, train hits police car. Then next, the Coca-Cola truck will get hit. You know why the Coca-Cola truck deserves to be hit? Because Coca-Cola's trash. Just kidding, I like Coca-Cola. It's my favorite cola of all time. Okay. There was close that. Now let's back the train up. Don't derail, please. Change the direction. Okay, I have a feeling that this railroad crossing is gonna get knocked over. And again, if you're watching this, former channel name, USA Rail Fanner, there's no front coupler, just a reminder, so my train is safe. Wow. That is one strong railroad crossing. Let's go ahead and, as you can see, the crossing got hit, but did not fall. Yep. That'll just about do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed random model train stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.